Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks and we're in Las Vegas. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a great place to go for inexpensive dining, shopping, and entertainment. And it's all under one roof. Where is this place? It's called the Miracle Mile Shops. The Miracle Mile Shops is adjacent to and part of Planet Hollywood. We're walking in currently from Las Vegas Boulevard. On the left-hand side, you're going to find an entrance to the Planet Hollywood Casino. Next to that, you can find an Earl's Sandwich, which is a really good food deal, but I'm going to show you even better ones. Across from that, you're going to find the ABC store. If you're staying in Las Vegas more than a couple days, you really want to check out the ABC stores, a Walgreens or a CVS for things like wine, snacks for your room, and especially water. Prices in Las Vegas for these items are really expensive, so these stores are very valuable. There are 2 ABC stores located in the Miracle Mile Shops. Check this out. What's going on over here? This is new since my last visit. Opening winter 2024 is going to be Miracle Eats. I just looked on the web. 6 food establishments have already been announced. 3 will be new additions to the Las Vegas Strip. That will include Carnegie Pizza, Fat Sal's, and Tacotarian. Also joining this group will be Dave's Hot Chicken, Fat Tuesdays, and Lobster Me. If you're planning on seeing an event at PH Live, this is where it's going to be. PH Live is a 7,000-seat state-of-the-art showroom. It's located right by the Planet Hollywood Casino, and look, there's video poker. The Miracle Mile Shops is very large. If I were to make a video about the entire thing, it would probably be an hour long. It's like over a mile long. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you places I've been and the places that I feel like are the best deals. You can't miss this area of the mall. It looks like a theme park when you walk in. This is where you're going to find some of the best dining deals in Las Vegas, in my opinion. This is Flights. In this area of the mall, you're also going to find the V Theater. They have shows in the afternoon and the evening. A new addition is the Prince Tribute, Purple Rain, which I've seen in Tropicana before. I have also seen here Piano Man, which is an Elton John and Billy Joel tribute. Also in this video, I'm going to be taking you into Hilton Alara as well as Planet Hollywood, so stick around. We're going to see a lot in this 15-minute video. I arrived here about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's a really nice time to walk around before all the stores open. Blondie's was the first restaurant that was open for breakfast. I could have had breakfast there. Look at the deals. They're fantastic. But I'm thinking I want to dine today at Ocean One because I really want to show you guys what it's like. For those of you that have dined at Ocean One before, know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. La Salsa Cantina also has unbeatable deals. 99-cent Bloody Marys. I mean, come on. Hello. That's fantastic. History-wise, this mall used to be called the Desert Passage when Planet Hollywood used to be Aladdin. And look, there's gelato. I love my gelato. Anyway, both were Arabian themed. Planet Hollywood is one of the 9 Caesars Entertainment resorts in Las Vegas. I personally walked here, but there is a pay-to-park garage. There's also valet, or you could Uber, Lyft, rideshare here as well. I'm looking on the web now. Parking is free for the first hour. After that, it's an hourly rate or a daily rate. It is open 24 hours. Also on site is Hilton Alara. This is connected adjacent to the Miracle Mile Shops. I stayed here for a week a couple years ago with my husband, Kelli. We had an awesome time. This is a really good location. There is a Starbucks on the property, but really nothing else. But honestly, you don't need it. Miracle Mile Shops has everything. Hilton Alara is a timeshare and has studios, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom villas. We had a big, beautiful 1-bedroom suite with a jacuzzi and a full kitchen. It was amazing. The only downfall was it was wintertime and the pool was closed, but that seems to be a thing in Las Vegas. It gets cold here in the winter. Nearby resorts to the left, that's Signature MGM, and that is the Marriott Grand Chateau. For those of you that are new to my channel or that don't know, when I come to Las Vegas, I come for a long time. This trip was 17 days. I booked my nights with timeshares as well as resort casinos. If you're enjoying this tour and finding it helpful, can you do me a favor and hit that like button? That would be great. I'll leave some playlists at the end of this video too if you want to see more of my tours of resorts and things to do in Las Vegas. Right now, we're going to check out the free daily rain show. This runs every half hour starting at 10:30 a.m. I wouldn't go terribly out of my way for it, but if you happen to be at the Miracle Mile Shop, go check it out. It only lasts about a few minutes. It's free and it's very relaxing. I absolutely love Vegas, and I could talk about it all day long. And I'd love to share with you free and inexpensive things to do in Las Vegas so you can come more. Make sure that you come. Make sure you book that trip and you pack your bags and you come to Las Vegas. There is so much to see and do here. It's just exhilarating. I'm going to quickly take you out this side entrance. There's a couple restaurants down here. This goes out to Harmon Avenue. This would be if you were staying, say, like at Polo Towers or Marriott Grand Chateau, where all the timeshares are. The carriage house is over here too. You could find an entrance exit over here, which makes it pretty easy if you're staying at one of these resorts. Before we head to breakfast, I'm going to take you back to where Blondie's and Flights was. We're going to go see another free show. A 3D projection with sights, sounds, and special effects. Let's go do this. Coming up, I'm going to be taking you into Planet Hollywood, and we're going to be checking out the pool over there, so don't go anywhere. Again, like the rain show, it was entertaining. It was only a few minutes. Don't go way out of your way for it, but if you happen to be in the neighborhood, it was cool to see. Just a free thing to do in Las Vegas. Now it's time to go out for breakfast. Have you guys heard of Ocean One before? This place actually closed just a couple weeks ago. I was devastated, but I heard they just closed for the day. I'm not sure really what happened there, but this place, I don't really even know how they stay in business. The prices are so good, so reasonable. 3 for $12 cocktails. For real. The lunches, $5.99 for anything on the menu. We're here for breakfast, and they asked me if I would sit at the bar because I was alone. Okay, this happens to me all the time, it seems. For breakfast, the majority of the items are $5.99, but not everything. The omelets, I believe, are $8.99. Still, that's a very good price for Las Vegas. The price for coffee, $2.99. That's a steal. This place obviously is always very packed, so allow yourself enough time if you want to dine here because you may have to wait a little bit. I was here for opening. I got seated right away. They also have desserts as well. The silverware was pretty nice. It wasn't like amazing, but it's not bad. The breakfast was good. It wasn't great. It was a croissant with eggs and home fries. It wasn't like, oh my God, this is amazing. But look at the price. It was less than $10 for coffee, an egg sandwich, and home fries. Took me a little time to find this, but I was able to compile all my other visits here with all the different pictures. Most of these meals were $5.99, besides for the steak that you'll see at the end. The drinks, is 3 for $12. They have to have one person, though. You cannot split the drinks with your friends. I was here with my cousin Anita. She loved it here. We ate here like every day. Look at this pizza. It was like $5.99 for that big pizza. I had 3 full glasses of wine. If you can't drink your drinks, you could take them to go, but you can't share it with somebody else. It has to be, if you order the 3 drinks, you have to get the 3 drinks. The steak, I think it was $9.99 for the steak. That's fantastic. Hi, Anita. I miss her. We had a lot of fun that trip. That was like a meatball parmesan. That was filet mignon quesadillas. Salad with a chicken cutlet. This pasta dish was fantastic. $5.99 for lunch. It was awesome. Another thing you could do very inexpensively at Miracle Mile shops is shopping. I love these little stores. They have them all over the Miracle Mile shops with really inexpensive items. Ketchup Burger Bar is another place you could get good food deals. They have happy hour and spiked milkshakes. What are your favorite deals at the Miracle Mile shops? Share with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Come join me, rock stars. We're going to go check out Planet Hollywood. Planet Hollywood is very colorful. We're going to go downstairs and check out the check-in situation first. I really love the Miracle Mile shops, but once it opens, the salespeople get so pushy. Just be prepared for that. I had this woman that wanted me to accept her sample packets, and I was like, no, and she started chasing me down the mall. I was like, no is no. Like, what is your problem? Not trying to scare anybody. I just wanted to mention that because, they could be a little relentless. Okay, back to the resort. Sorry about that. I just wanted to mention that. You could self-check-in. This is a Caesars resort. So if you want to check in early, there's going to be a fee. If you want to come in early, you could always drop your bags off and enjoy your day and pick up your bags later if you don't want to pay a fee to check in early. If you come super early and you want to enjoy the pool that day, but you don't check in until 3 or 4, you can use the pools that day at check-in, and you could also use the pools the day of your check-out as well. Just have to get a little creative with your packing. I have personally never stayed at Planet Hollywood. I've been here many times, but I've never spent the night. It's definitely on my bucket list, though. I like the place. It's colorful. The ceiling's very high. Here's a look at Hollywood Cafe, where you could get breakfast all day long. It is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and late night Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There is also a Starbucks on the property. My favorite place to eat here, and probably the best burger that I personally have ever had in Las Vegas, is Gordon Ramsay Burger. I loved my burger. I thought it was great. There is always a major line for this, so be prepared. Make sure you allow yourself enough time. I believe he's opening one of these at the Flamingo Hotel as well. So as far as food-wise goes here, it's pretty good, especially with the addition of Miracle Mile shops. P.F. Chang's, I dined there before. It was excellent. It was really good. Why haven't I stayed here before? I'm asking myself the same question. I think it's mostly because I usually choose Flamingo or Paris, just because I prefer them. And it's not that I don't like Planet Hollywood. It's in a great location. It's colorful. It's large. I mean, it smells like smoke, but they all do. Unless you stay at Park MGM, everything smells like smoke. All the casinos do. My favorite rock band in all the land, Def Leppard, had a residency here once. Maybe there's some hidden guilt that if I stay there, why didn't I stay there when they were there? I don't know. My conflicted Gemini brain. Let's go check out the showrooms. This is now where Chris Angel plays. It's on the 3rd floor. Coming up here provides an excellent view of the casino floor. After this, I promise you, we're going to go check out the pool. If you are still here with me at this point in the video, you are a total rock star, and I really appreciate you. And let me know where you're from. Has anybody seen this Mind Freak show before? I've never seen it, but I've heard such mixed reviews about it. There is also a restaurant up here. Not sure how many people know about it. It's kind of out of the way. It's up here by the showrooms. Maybe it's busy during the show times. Oh, I love the decor and the red. I have an all red living room at home. I love it. I wasn't sure how to create this video. I wasn't sure if I should do Planet Hollywood separate, but seeing it's connected to the Miracle Mile shops, it's sort of all together. I felt it should be all in the same video. So if you are still with me, thank you very much. Also up here by the upper level showrooms, you can find the fitness center and the spa. I'm personally not staying here. I'm just going to go in and see how far I could get. I was able to get right into the fitness center, but there was a lot of people working out, so I did not film it. It is 9 a.m. Let's go check out the pool scene. This pool is actually called The Scene. You use the south elevators. It is on floor 6. This is my first time ever coming up here. It looks nice. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get in here. I wasn't staying here, but I was able to walk right in. I was here for opening, though. That could be different if you're staying here at a busy time. Right away, I noticed that it is shady everywhere. Paris pool is like that, too. There is literally no sun there till maybe 12 o'clock. Come join me. Let's go check this place out. I'm so excited. They have a flow rider and what? Look they have video poker. How cool. Going early gives me a great opportunity to go check out the cabanas. They weren't very large or private, but they looked a little comfortable. The day beds have tops, which are awesome. I find the day beds, if they don't have any shade, are kind of pointless. If you're new to Las Vegas, the summer sun is brutal. You could literally feel your skin cooking. So having some shade and definitely some really strong sunblock is a necessity. I also bring a strong lip balm protector everywhere I go. I assume this is for a DJ. They had music on, but it wasn't like a DJ. It wasn't very loud. Color-wise, it was pretty drab. It was more tans and grays with splashes of color. I wouldn't really call this a beautiful pool setting, but it was much larger than I thought it was going to be. This all here has been one pool. There's another pool I'm going to take you to see next. I'm looking at the website now. It says one of these pools is 21 and older, and the other one is family friendly. You can reserve a cabana or a daybed right on their website. As of now, they're booking up till October 31st. I'm trying to see about winter hours, but I'm seeing no mention of the pools being open anytime past that. The biggest problem I found was the rent-me chairs. Most of the chairs that were around the pool or even close to it, you had to pay for. That's especially annoying when traveling with children. The Scene pool is open from 9 o'clock to 6 daily. Besides for the 2 pools, they also have 2 hot tubs that are available. They also have cabanas at this other pool as well. I'm glad I made the effort to come here for the tour. I've never been here before. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Not my favorite pool in Vegas, but it's pretty nice. If you are still with me, let me know where you're from. Are you planning a trip to Las Vegas? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Las Vegas is very alive and exciting. I love to create these video tours to help other people plan out a perfect vacation experience for you and your friends and your family. I'll leave some of my Las Vegas playlists here for you to enjoy. Do your research, but make sure whatever you do, that you plan that trip and you pack your bags and you go. Las Vegas is awesome and you deserve to be here. This is your host and tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.